Most men never lose money first. They lose energy. And once energy is gone, everything else slowly collapses. Focus fades. Confidence weakens. Discipline disappears. Life stops responding. This video is not about money tricks, business hacks, or motivation quotes. This is about the hidden force that decides whether life moves toward you or moves past you. Inside every man lives a powerful current. It's the same force that creates attraction, ambition, creativity, courage, and leadership. Most men feel it as desire and waste it without understanding what it could become. A small number of men learn to hold it, shape it, and direct it. And the difference between these two groups is not luck, intelligence, or background. It is energy control. When you walk into a room, people sense something before you speak. That presence cannot be faked. It cannot be learned from books. It comes from internal pressure that has been refined, not released. Most men live in constant leakage. Pleasure drains them. Distractions scatter them. Validation seeking weakens them. They stay busy but never powerful. They chase results instead of becoming the source of results. Sexual energy is not just physical desire. It is life force. It is raw creation power. When wasted repeatedly, the nervous system becomes overstimulated and underpowered. The mind becomes foggy. Motivation becomes fragile. The body becomes restless and tired at the same time. That is why many men feel stuck, even when they are working hard. They are leaking power daily without realizing it. When a man stops wasting this energy, something begins to reorganize inside him. At first, there is discomfort, restlessness. The body wants the old release. That is not weakness. That is withdrawal from depletion. Energy that used to escape now stays inside and starts circulating. Pressure builds, and pressure, when directed, creates force. Within the first few days, sleep becomes deeper. Thoughts become quieter. The constant mental noise starts fading. You feel more grounded in your body. Your reactions slow down. You stop rushing. After a week, your presence changes. You speak slower. Your voice becomes steadier. Eye contact becomes natural, not forced. People listen longer. They interrupt less. They don't know why, but they feel something solid. By the second week, your focus sharpens. You can sit with problems longer without escaping into distractions. Ideas connect faster. You begin seeing patterns in situations where others see confusion. This is not confidence training. This is nervous system recalibration. Energy is no longer wasted on short pleasure loops. It is feeding cognition, intuition, and discipline. Around the third week, something powerful happens. Desire no longer feels like pressure that must be released. It feels like fuel. When sexual energy rises, instead of suppressing it or acting on it, you redirect it into work, into planning, into building, into movement, into vision. This is where most men fail. They think retention is about resisting. It's not. It's about direction. Energy must move. If it doesn't, it stagnates. The man who masters this learns to move energy upward, outward, forward. That is why productivity explodes. Projects that felt heavy begin moving. Decisions become clear. Fear weakens because the body is no longer depleted. Fear feeds on low energy. High energy creates calm authority. This is why certain men feel powerful without being aggressive. They don't chase attention. They attract alignment. Money responds to this state, not because of magic, but because money flows toward clarity, decisiveness, and consistency. Opportunities appear because your perception improves. You notice doors others walk past. You speak when it matters. You act without hesitation. This creates momentum, and momentum attracts more momentum. Most men think wealth comes from effort alone. Effort without energy leads to burnout. Energy with direction leads to leverage. When you conserve your sexual energy, your brain chemistry changes. Dopamine stabilizes. Impulse control strengthens. Long-term thinking replaces instant craving. You stop reacting to life and start shaping it. This is why disciplined men appear lucky. They are not lucky. They are available. Their mind is not scattered. Their energy is not drained. They are present when opportunity arrives. Presence is power. Over time, this creates a magnetic quality. People trust you more quickly. They sense stability. They sense certainty. You don't need to convince. Your words land with weight because energy carries them. This is what real attraction is. Not chasing, not proving, not performing. Just being grounded in your own power. Many men confuse this with repression. It is the opposite. This is strategic control. The man who controls his most primal force can control his direction in life. He is no longer ruled by impulses. He is ruled by vision. As months pass, this state deepens. Creativity becomes constant. Ideas flow without force. Solutions appear in silence. Intuition strengthens. You begin knowing which moves to make without overthinking. This is not fantasy. This is a mind no longer hijacked by constant release cycles. When energy accumulates, it sharpens perception. This gives you an advantage others cannot see. Your presence becomes calm but firm. You do not rush outcomes. You do not beg for results. You move steadily. This creates quiet authority, the kind that doesn't need noise, the kind that commands respect without asking for it. This energy also changes how others treat you. People open doors. They offer help. They seek your opinion, not because you demand it, but because energy recognizes energy. Life responds differently when you stop leaking power. Most men try to fake abundance. They dress it, talk it, post it, but abundance is not something you show. It is something you radiate. And radiation comes from internal pressure held with discipline. When you stop wasting sexual energy, you build pressure. When you direct that pressure, you create force. When force is sustained, it becomes authority. Authority attracts resources. This is the real sequence. Not hustle, not hype, not pretending. This path is not easy. It requires saying no to short pleasure for long power. It requires patience. It requires discipline. But the reward is freedom. Freedom from compulsion. Freedom from weakness. Freedom from chasing validation. You stop needing approval because you are full. You stop fearing loss because you trust your ability to create again. This is inner wealth, and inner wealth creates outer wealth naturally. Money becomes a tool, not a goal. You negotiate better because you are not desperate. You wait when others rush. You act when others hesitate. This is why controlled men dominate chaotic environments. They are not louder. They are denser. Over time, this creates a life that feels aligned. Health improves. Relationships stabilize. Work becomes meaningful. You move with purpose instead of urgency. This is what silent prosperity looks like. No display, no noise, just steady growth. The man who masters his energy does not compete with others. He competes with who he was yesterday. He invests in himself daily. Every time he resists impulse, he deposits power. Every time he directs desire, he builds structure. Every time he chooses discipline, he strengthens identity. Identity shapes behavior. Behavior shapes destiny. This is why true leaders are forged internally, long before they are recognized externally. They don't seek power over others. They develop power over themselves. And that power radiates outward naturally. This is not about becoming cold or distant. It's about becoming centered, calm, grounded, focused. From this state, creation becomes effortless. Influence becomes natural. Wealth becomes a consequence, not a chase. If you are tired of feeling drained, distracted, and overlooked, this path exists for you. If you feel there is more inside you than what you are currently living, you are right. The difference is not potential. It is control. Control of the force that builds everything. When you are ready to stop wasting and start building, this discipline changes everything. If this message resonated with you, subscribe now. Leave a comment below saying, "I choose quiet power." Continue with our other videos to learn how to direct this energy into focus, magnetism, and real prosperity. The king is not born. He is built.